There's a lot of manipulation happening in the market. This is not new news for everybody. The market is not fair. So here we have to discuss how to trade this unfair market. There's always a solution. There's always answer. Because if you can't change something, you actually have to work with it. Like you can change the weather, of course. So if it's rain, you just buy an umbrella or you stay home. The same with stock market. If you can't change what's going on with the manipulation in the market, at least you have to protect yourself from the market, from this big drawdown like what happened to AMC, by knowing where to exit and where to take profit. So in today's video, we have to discuss where the entry point for AMC, where the squeeze, and where's the support that been confirmed from the last week. So last week we discussed the $7.34. If you're new here, guys, we already talk about AMC and many stocks here on our Discord and even on our Patreon. We always do power hour, pre-market update, and after we finish our live streaming, we do short analysis update for many stocks. We discuss AMC. We said the $7.34 is our support. If you want to load up on AMC and the other blue chip company, you can on Momo, because you can actually win 15 free stock when you join with my special link in comment section below. And how you can win those stocks? This is a really great question to ask. Really simple. You can just open an account on Momo and you can get 1 free stock. So use this opportunity and get you 15 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video. We said the resistance is around the $8.60 and the $9.19. However, we have this ascending channel or descending channel. It's been tested last week. So we have 1 test, 2 tests, and 3 tests technically. So we have 3 tests, the short seller adding their position every time around those level. And we have a huge whale again, buying the dip here. Price go down, buying the dip here. Price go down, buy the dip here. So for now, this is discounted price for now, as long as we hold here, okay? As long as we hold the $7.34, which is confirmed right now a bottom for AMC, we're gonna have the squeeze up. They have to cover, because if we broke this orange line, it will be game on for AMC. This is just the first signal. So we have the first signal. Of course, we have 2 signals. The first signal for next week, if we broke this ascending channel, give or take around the $8.30, okay? We need to hold here, and we have 4-hour candle green one to close over this ascending channel. This is the first signal. The second signal is breaking this orange box and hold over the $9.20. This will be the second signal, the most important and strongest signal for AMC to have squeeze for the next week or for this month, for October, and seeing the $10. And then we have more than $10. The first one, of course, the $10.73, and this will give us, let me just check how much we can do here, 25% at least for the first squeeze. So this is the first squeeze for AMC. If we broke the $9.19 and $8.16 and hold above it, we're gonna have a huge pump for AMC. Last Friday we did almost 3%. We have volume 17 million. For my opinion, this is still small action, small volume for AMC. AMC could actually make 100, 200 million if we have a really good squeeze from the bottom. So in the meantime, just put alert, guys, around the $7.34 to warn us about another selling pressure down, and of course about the resistance, which is between the $8.60 and the $9.19. Why we have a big range, you ask? Why, Jesus, we have big range would be a really good question to ask. Because here is where the short seller hiding. We don't know exactly where, but this is the range. That's why when we hit this box, we're gonna have a huge wick if we got rejected. However, if we don't have rejection and the short seller covered, we're gonna have a huge green candle overcome this resistance, and we're gonna have short cover until at least the $10.73. What's gonna happen in $10.73? Here we're gonna have another resistance. So if you see a green line, it's mean a profit taken and the resistance. So that's why I suggest from our hunters to take profit there. And this is one of the way to protect yourself from an unfair market or manipulated market. That's what we live in right now. We live in a jungle. This is the market. Everybody want to take your money. This is the reality, the sad reality, guys. Nobody actually tell you. But here, the only way to make money, at least for this crazy volatile market, is not for all stocks, of course. There's some stocks you can actually hold and sleep at night, but some stocks you have to be having this kind of mindset to take profit, exit early, don't hold if the price broke the support. You have to have a strategy for each type of stocks, because we have high volatility stock, we have growth stocks, we have penny stocks. So every stock have a strategy, set of strategy we can put for those stocks in order to protect your portfolio. If you don't have rules for each section of those stocks, you're gonna lose money. And here, we don't want to lose money. So even if you lost money, of course, in trading, you have to lose money, but you have to gain more than you lose in order to be in green. If you don't calculate this, you're gonna be really in red, like many new traders do. They have their portfolio go like this, 100,000, then they lose 200,000. This is not trading, this is gambling. So we're gonna discuss AMC tomorrow in depth in our live streaming and before the market open on our Patreon and Discord, because we always do pre-market update. After that, chart analysis update for many stocks if they squeeze from the support or broke the support. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update by tomorrow on Monday.